Hello students, I am here again with part 2 video of chapter 1 Knowing MS Access 2007 class 8th. Earlier in part 1 video we have discussed about database and its related terms. Now in this video I am going to discuss these important points which are objects of database, getting started with MS Access 2007, creating a table, types of views of table, adding data to a table, saving a table, modifying and deleting a record. So let's begin with the explanation part. As you all know, in MS Access database consists of these following objects. They are tables, queries, forms and reports. Tables in a database, it is a group of columns and rows where each column is known as field and each row is known as record. So column, it is a group of vertical arrangement of cells, whereas row is a group of horizontal arrangement of cells. Query, they are used to retrieve some specific data from database based on certain condition given by the user. So you will get the set of that amount of data through queries. Forms, forms are very user-friendly screen that contains various types of fields in a specific format so that you can enter data through forms also, and these data will be shown in tables. Reports organize or summarize our data to print or to view on a screen. So these objects are very essential in creating database. Now getting started with MS Access 2007, how you will open it. So you will have to click on start button, then all programs will be there. You click all programs option, then you have to click Microsoft Office option, and in that Microsoft Office you will get Microsoft Access 2007 option. You will have to click. As soon as you click Microsoft Access 2007, you will reach to this screen. This is the very first screen. Here blank database option is there. Once you click blank database option, in the right pane you are seeing the text box of file name. You will have to give the database name and click on create button. As soon as you click create, you reach to this window where Access will create table 1, that is the default table created by Access, with default field, that is ID, whose data type is auto number. Clear students? Now before creating a table, you must know that how many views are there of table. In Access there are two views, that is datasheet view and design view. Let us see one by one. What are they? Design view, this figure shows the design view, and design view of a table consists of 3 columns, that is field name, data type and description. Here you can design your table, means you can give the field names, you can give its data types, and you can give the description, which is optional actually. In description you can write extra information about a field which will not be reflected anywhere. That is why it is optional. And in field properties you can set various types of properties of specific field which you will select. So this is your design view. Here you can not enter the data. Whereas datasheet view, the glimpse of that pic is given here. Here you will enter data in a table, means here you will see the field names along with their data. Now the steps are here to create a table in MS Access. So the very first thing what you have to do, you will have to go to the create tab. Then in create tab, tables group, in tables group you will have to select the table option, and in table option once you click you will get table 1 as the default table. So select that table 1, then again go to the home tab, then click on view command, pull down menu of view option will be displayed. You choose design view, enter your table name in save as dialog box. Table will be created and it will be open in design view. So in design view you will have to set your desired field names and data types. Now once your table is created, now you will have to add the data. For that you will have to move to the datasheet view. So to add data to the table, you have to simply type the values in each cell by pressing the tab key. By pressing tab key, you can move different fields in a given record. So your new data will be added in your table. But if you want to modify your data, means if you want to change any particular data, you will have to select that particular cell, or you can say that data which you want to delete by using the arrow keys, and then you can replace it by the new one. Deleting a record means if you want to remove that record, you will have to select that desired record which you want to delete. Go to the home tab, click records group, pull down delete button will be displayed, and choose the delete record. So as soon as you will click on the delete record option, your record which you have selected will be deleted from the database. To save a table, once you have created the table and you did all the things in a table, if you want to save a table, another method is given. You will have to go to the office button. If your table is open, then go to the office button. Then drop down menu will be displayed. There you will have to select the save option. Once you click the save option, your table is saved. Clear, students? So this is the end of the part 2 video of MS Access. I hope that you all understood the topics given in the chapter. This is my request to each student that do practice MS Access in your laptop or your computer, and if there will be any queries, then ask to your concerned subject teacher. So till then, take care. Thank you, class.